Well, if you're like me, and boy, that is a scary thought, you only reach out to an attorney when something bad has happened. Now, April 3rd is Be Kind to Lawyers Day. And that's a reminder that whether it's a family issue, a business dispute, or just a major life challenge, having somebody knowledgeable and calm, that's a key word, calm, on your side can make all the difference. Now, joining us today is Micha Star Liberty, founder of Liberty Law, to talk about the human side of legal work and how attorneys help people navigate some of the most difficult moments in their life. Micha, how are you?
I'm fabulous. How are you doing today?
I couldn't be better. Thank you for asking. Hey, Micha, I know, and I apologize for if I've even said some of these, but you've heard all the jokes about lawyers, right? But the reality is that most people only call on you when they feel like life is overwhelming them. What do you see as the most often when people walk into your office?
Well, our clients are often experiencing severe stress. A lot of times they have PTSD diagnoses because of what's happened to them. So they're confused about their legal options. They're concerned about what's going to happen next. And a big part of my job is to bring clarity and to try and help them understand what their options are and give them a roadmap or a plan forward. The other thing, in terms of lawyer jokes, I come from a family of lawyers. We tell them all the time at the dinner table, you have to have a good sense of humor when you're dealing with, serious situations sometimes.
Yeah, and you are dealing with some of the most serious situations in life. And again, I imagine when people come in, you've already talked about the anxiety they might be feeling, the stress that they're feeling. So how is it important that you stay calm and that an attorney stays calm when trying to help these people?
Oh, it's paramount. It's absolutely important. Your energy, the way you present yourself, how you speak to your clients, all of that needs to be done with care. We're very trauma informed in my office, so every staff member has to go through trauma informed training. We actually have a victims advocate who's a cognitive behavioral therapist on staff. Our job is holistic, so we want to help them be successful in terms of their legal claims, but also just getting through the days that they're dealing with.
Yeah. Micha, everything I know about lawyers I learned from watching television. And I'm sure a lot of people will show up feel that same way. So what is something that our viewers may not realize about the work that attorneys do behind the scenes?
Well, there's a lot of what I think the clients would be surprised to learn are really boring, research-intensive tasks. We spend a lot of time going over the state of the law, looking for additional or novel legal arguments. We're preparing for weeks, sometimes months if we're going to trial, and it's all geared towards solving the problem, the legal problem, the emotional problem that the clients have. So a lot of our cases resolve through negotiation and thoughtful strategy before they ever reach a courtroom, and they do that because of all of the time we're spending preparing.
Okay, well, since today is Be Kind to Lawyers Day, what would you like people to remember about the role that lawyers play in their lives?
Well, lawyers are advocates. They're really part of your team when you have a legal problem, and they stand beside people that may feel vulnerable, and they work to protect their rights, their families, their futures, their social standing. So, we wear a lot of different hats, and I think that clients don't always see all the hats that we wear while we're doing our jobs.
Hey, I got a few hours before Be Kind to a Lawyer Day is over. What gift should I go buy? Hats? More hats?
Maybe hats.
All right. How can we find out more about your firm?
You can check us out online. It's libertylaw.com.
Okay, so if you'd like to learn more about, I'm going to expand on it just a little bit more about Micha Star Liberty and the service offered to you, go to Liberty Law. You can visit libertylaw.com. And I'm sure it's still time to get that present to you, so keep looking. I'll check the porch. I may have just left it out there. Okay, listen, Micha, I really appreciate you being here today. And I do know that maybe this is a good time to remind people we don't always have to go to lawyers when things are bad. There's a good time to talk to lawyers, isn't there?
Yeah, there is. You know, when you're entering into a new business, if someone's getting married, there are things that can be done. Lawyers can help out. So, yeah, we're problem solvers. So whatever problem you have, I'm sure there's a lawyer out there for you.
Hey, listen, Micah, thanks for joining us today, and thanks for sharing in on the celebration of this day for lawyers.
Thanks so much for having me.